When it comes to precision and reliability in automotive diagnostics, the Fluke 88V/A Automotive Multimeter Combo Kit stands out as a professional-grade solution. Make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to get this automotive multimeter at the latest price available. This multimeter goes beyond standard functionality by offering the ability to measure AC/DC voltage and current, resistance, frequency, capacitance, and temperature, making it a comprehensive tool for vehicle diagnostics and repair. With both manual and auto-ranging modes, users have the flexibility to work efficiently across various tasks, whether in the workshop or out in the field. What makes the Fluke 88V/A truly ideal for automotive professionals is its specialized capability to measure RPM via an inductive pickup and conduct millisecond pulse width readings on fuel injectors, essential for modern engine diagnostics. This level of detail allows mechanics to evaluate critical timing signals and injector performance without needing additional diagnostic tools. It even features a built-in thermometer, eliminating the need to carry a separate temperature measuring device, and speeding up assessments in environments where precision and time are everything. This added functionality streamlines the diagnostic process, reducing clutter and increasing productivity. Safety is also a key highlight of this multimeter, with a robust rating of Cat 3 up to 1000 V and Cat 4 up to 600 V, ensuring confidence in high-energy environments. Its rugged, impact-resistant housing in bright yellow makes it easy to locate and durable enough for harsh conditions typical in automotive workshops. From basic continuity and diode tests to complex diagnostics involving fuel systems and engine performance, the Fluke 88V/A offers the reliability, versatility, and accuracy that professional technicians rely on every day. Whether you're servicing cars, trucks, or other vehicles, this combo kit delivers all the core functions needed to get the job done right.